Good morning everyone! Happy Sunday! Andito kami ngayon sa gas station. We are on our way to Walmart and syempre mag-grocery shopping na naman tayo and later is grocery shopping haul. So wag po kayo sana magsawa sa ating grocery shopping video. Pero hindi naman kasi ako normally nagtitake ng video na sa Walmart kasi nga may pa-music sila doon. Tapos ang daming tao, nahihiya din ako mag-capture ng mga clips. Pero yung ating haul, actually last week hindi ako nakapag grocery shopping haul nung nagpunta kami sa Walmart. Hindi ko na matandaan, parang tinamad yata ako mag-video noon. Sa Tuesday, meron akong second check-up. Siyempre, isasama namin kayo doon. Si Mr. Zaytaan doon sa likod. Natutulog siya. So, see you later sa Walmart if ever na makapag-video ako doon. Papasok na tayo dito sa Walmart. Si Mr. sabi niya wag ko raw kalimutan ng aking job para sa pagpunta namin sa Walmart, yun yung pagdala nitong aming grocery shopping bag. Tapos sabi niya dapat daw i-roll ko siya kasi hindi daw aesthetically pleasing. Kasi ginawa ko siya parang nakasabit lang dito sa aking braso. You're gonna hear it. It's zero. Yan si Zeta. Very cute Zeta. Hi!
Are you happy to be out of the house?
Yeah. Andito kami ngayon sa mga toy area kasi gusto ni Mr. kuha ng laruan si Zeta. Laruan na naman. Yan ang kanyang pa-OOTD for today. Yan yung kinukuha ni Mr. Di ko alam kung ano ba ang kanyang bibilhin para kay Zeta. So, kuha tayo ng mangga. Para maganda yung mga mangga ngayon nila.
I can tell that.
So, ayan guys, we are back home and mag-start na tayo mag-grocery shopping haul. Una is itong toy ni Zeta drum set. Broccoli. Grapes. Tomatoes. Avocados, and then banana. Chicken nuggets. Mangoes. Rosemary. Organic bay leaves, celery sticks, beef franks, parehas siya. Magkaibang brand lang ata. Hebrew National 100% kosher beef. So parehas siyang beef franks. And then meat, ground pork, sausages, maliliit na potatoes, cucumber, and then pork ulit. And then this one, beef choc pot roast. Gagawa daw kasi ng, alam kung anong gagawin ni Mr. Another ground pork. 2 pack. Carrots, bread, tortilla chips, onions, mini croissant, pasta, full milk, red cooking wine, and paper towels, other bread. Then ito, gusto kong itry tamarind. Galing sa, sweet tamarind, galing to sa Thailand.
You showed the drum?
Yeah, I did. That's the first one. And then strawberries, grapefruit, instant noodles, Maruchan. Nag-crave lang ako, pero isa lang kasi 'di ba dahil tayo ay preggy, dapat iwas-iwas sa mga ganyang klase ng food. And then, better than bouillon. Egg, maliit lang siya. Book ni Zeta. Tapos yung diaper niya, hindi na namin naisama dito. Pickles. Tapos cookies. Olives. Coconut water. Garlic. Razors. Gnocchi. Lentils. Apples. Coconut water again. Isa pang whole milk. Rice. And then marinara sauce. Dalawang peanut butter. Ito para sa akin. Ito para sa work ni Mr. Dadali niya to sa truck. So all in all, for this week, walaan niyo kung magkano. Nasa 200 or nasa 300. All in all, for this week, yung total ng pinamili namin is $306.64. Ayan. So, mahal na talaga ang mga bilihin ngayon. Ay, I'm not sure. Napakita ko na ba to? Tomato paste. Ayan. So, puput away ko lang ito. See you later. And syempre, mag-shoutout ulit tayo sa ating mga viewers and sa ating mga commenters. Commenters talaga, no? So, first is, again, si Miss Evelyn. Thank you so much. Chris Vlog. And Noy and Cory. Si Zera, naghahagis-hagis na naman dito. Josefa Limson. Thank you. Elite Blossom. Sabi niya, your daughter is so cute. Thank you so much po. Si Arlene Life in Washington State. Salamat sis. Si Liza Bernabe. Thank you. Mir Delara from Illinois. SL17. Si Helen Villanueva. Somebody's watching. Thank you. And then Melcar. M2C. Elma Delaney. And si Miss Jen. Thank you. Clumsy924. Angelica. VZ9RT. And Mr. and Mrs. Wright 07. So, ayun po. Maraming salamat sa panonood. And sana po ay andyan lang kayo lagi para manood ng aming mga videos. So, itatry ko itong fresh sweet tamarind something na ito from Thailand. Nabili lang namin to sa Walmart. Check natin kung matamis talaga siya. You open it. Do you know how to eat that? So, tingnan natin kung anong magiging reaction ni Mr. sa sampalok. You won't like it because...
It says it's sweet. The box says they're sweet, even though I think they're sour.
Well, it can be sweet. So, check natin.
What do I do?
Do you just open it?
With what?
No. Yo, this cat.
Yeah, how are you going to do that? You can't even open a
No.
bottle.
Ay, nako. I know how to open it. It's already open. You do this. I'm gonna show you how to eat it.
Take the thing out of the middle.
Merong mga iba na ano, parang hilaw
You eat
pa.
the middle or the outside?
You eat everything and then you just remove the seed. It's like eating the guava but differently. Ang hirap naman i-explain kung paano ba kain. Ayan, ito. You be careful, there is a seed there. How is it?
Okay.
Huh?
It's okay.
Try ko nga kung tamis. Matamis. It's sweet.
It says they're sweet.
Matamis siya. Kaya lang merong mga hilaw. This is the one that you use for sinigang lab. Baby. One little Zeta jumping on the bed. She fell off and bumped. Ay! Baby, don't play with that. Dali na. One little Zeta jumping on the bed. She fell off and bumped her head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, "No more Zeta jumping on the bed." Yay! Yay! So si Mr. andoon siya sa kitchen nagluluto. Love, what are you making? Love, What are you making for lunch or dinner? What are you making for lunch or dinner?
I'm making pot roast for dinner.
Pot roast daw. Ano lang tayo, chika-chika. Yung very trending ngayon sa social media, itong Filipina na 7 days pa lang nasa Europe. Huwag na nating i-mention yung mismong country sa Europe. Pinatay siya nung kanyang asawa na foreigner. Nakakatakot din talaga mag-asawa ng foreigner. Kasi lalo na kung nakilala mo lang sa online, kaya napaka-importante talaga na kilalanin mo rin munang mabuti. And then at the same time, syempre magdasal ka din na sana mapunta ka dun sa tamang lalaki. Kasi 'di ba? Ano naman talaga kahit namang saang lugar, kahit na saan namang lugar, may mga ganyan talaga kahit nga sa Pilipinas. Ang mahirap lang pagka nasa ibang bansa ka, malayo ka sa pamilya mo. Ay, baby. Si Zaira, pinapakialaman ng aking camera. Kaya ayun, nakakalungkot. Hindi ko alam kung nakita nyo ba yan sa social media. Basta very trending siya sa YouTube, sa iba't ibang social media platform. And ako, nung nakilala ko si Mister, ilang months pa lang, nagpunta na siya sa Philippines para sa mga bago dito sa aming channel. And nag-propose siya agad and nabuntis ako agad. Kaso nga lang, 'di ba? Yung first pregnancy namin is hindi siya successful dahil blighted ovum, and then after a few months bumalik siya and stayed for a month. So nagkasama talaga kami in 1 whole month, and then yun, nabuntis ulit ako kay Zira. And then after that, bumalik siya ulit dun sa para sa panganganak ko. Nagstay siya ng 3 months kasi nga meron siyang leave na 3 months, yung FMLA na tinatawag. So nagkasama pa din kami ng 3 months. Bago kami talaga, or bago kami ni Zira, nag-migrate dito sa US, and bago kami nagpakasal ni Mister. So matagal din yung aming time na makilala yung isa't isa. Ito kasing si ate, no, first na punta pa lang dun is nagpakasal na sa Philippines. And then, basta ang bilis nung processing nung sa kanya. Tapos napunta na siya ng Europe. Tapos 7 days pa nga lang dun sa Europe. Is, ayun, pinatay na. Kasi nga daw, merong mental health problem itong lalaki. Pero kasi hindi mo rin naman talaga masasabi, di ba? Kahit pa gaano kayo katagal, minsan, may mga instances pa rin na ganyan. Talagang super importante lang na gamitin mo yung iyong instinct. And then yun, talaga prayers lang. Kayo ba, ano bang inyong parang naging basis? Si baby talaga. Ano yung inyong naging basis para masabi nyo na okay tong lalaki na to before kayo nagpakasal sa inyong mister? Please comment down below dyan sa mga viewers natin na may partner na foreigner. Actually, kahit hindi foreigner, kahit na Pilipino, kasi nga 'di ba, kagaya ng sinabi ko, kahit naman kahit naman anong lahi yan, meron pa ring mga ganyan na pangyayari. Ito na yung pot roast ni Mister. Para siyang kaldereta na walang liver spread. Sabi ni Mister, hindi daw to magiging ready until 7 p.m. And it's currently 4:07. So medyo matagal-tagal pa itong ating paghihintay para makakain ng dinner. Mukhang masarap siya. Sarap to pag may rice. Love, I need rice, me and Zira. Love, how are you going to rate the taste of tamarind or sampalok?
Very nice. I like tamarind. I always like tamarind. First time,
you haven't tried it. Are you saying
the first time I had tamarind flavor, I didn't even know what it was, but I was with John Prue and we were in the Bronx, New York, and there was a guy selling shaved ice and he had tamarind flavor, and I tried it and it was very nice. So maybe this is the first time. No, because when I visited you the first time in the Philippines, your mother had some tamarind of some kind, and I had that.
I can't remember that.
At the hotel.
Love, it's it's sinigang. You don't like it.
No, she had just some kind of tamarind candy.
So all in all, nagustuhan ni Mister ang lasa ng tamarind. Si Zira, hinahatak mo naman ang aking mic. Love, remember what I was talking about yesterday? about this Filipina who was killed by the foreigner husband in Europe. What can you say about that? Can you give them like the things that you have to, like an advice, the things that you have to consider before marrying a foreigner or a person living in a different country?
If you're going to be trying to marry somebody to have a good future for yourself and whoever you marry, you should pick somebody who seems as though they have a promising future. And I can't imagine a mental patient would qualify as a perspective, hopeful partner. It doesn't seem like a mental patient is going to have a good future.
But they were saying that the lady is not aware about the mental health problem of this guy. Do you think she saw some red flags, but she just ignored it?
I think you should know something about the country that you are, emigrating to, because if anybody with any knowledge of you should know something about the country where you're deciding to emigrate to. You just go by reputation. Certain country has certain reputation. For instance, well, it doesn't matter. United States is very neutral. Everybody knows that United States people may be good, maybe bad. It's right in the middle of this, could go either way. Some countries have better reputation than other countries. So pick a country with a good reputation. England, good reputation. Sweden, good reputation. Australia, good reputation. These places, you're going to have better luck, obviously. But if you pick a place that has a bad reputation, then you're gonna, trying to play the odds. What are the odds? If the country has a good reputation, it has good odds of having a good partner. But also, you got to use your brain about who you're getting involved with, because you can't just get involved with anybody. It doesn't make any sense. You have to have a good connection with somebody. That's why there's such a thing as chemistry, and I can't imagine those people had good chemistry if he decided to murder her.
Do we have a good chemistry?
We have always had very good chemistry.
What kind of chemistry?
I don't know why they call it that. It just means that you're a good couple. I gotta do my cooking.
Okay, so ayun lang. Kagaya ng sinabi ni Mister, syempre marami tayong dapat i-consider bago tayo mag-decide kung sino ba yung ating papakasalan, kasi forever na yun, di ba? And ay napaka-importante niya. Isang malaking decision yan sa ating buhay. So ayun lang po for today's video. Maraming salamat ulit sa pagtangkilik at panonood ng aming mga videos. Thank you so much. But it would take time. You said it won't be...
You're not gonna have a camera in 3 hours?
I don't know, I just wanna end it because... maybe I can just add it later. Whatever. So ayun lang po, again, maraming salamat po sa pagsuporta sa aming YouTube channel. Thank you so much again. See you again on our next vlog. Bye. Love, say bye.
Bye.
Say bye-bye. Okay. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye, everyone. Bye-bye. Blow kisses. Yay! Kiss them. Kiss them. Kiss. Gulo-gulo ang buhok ng ating baby Zayla.